I almost gave up on Divi. You see, a few years ago when Divi 3 came out, it was a game changer, especially with the theme builder. There were very few page builders out there, so it was very exciting to use Divi. I was on it. I pretty much went for the lifetime license. I mean, I was not messing around. But as time went on, I started to realize that the company started focusing on agencies and freelancers, and mostly small business owners. But for the casual guy that wants to build websites, pretty much their focus was on developing products for that area, which meant that when we come over here now to Divi, you notice that we have Divi Teams, we have Divi Cloud, we have Divi Hosting, and Divi VIP. Now, it takes time to produce all these services to link up all with Divi and to link up effectively. So that meant that a lot of time was taken away instead of improving the builder itself. Now, when I look at the builder, pretty much the builder is like a mobile phone. Without good apps, it's not very good. So that meant that we were now pretty much behind on the features that Divi needed. First of all, we're running on shortcodes, which is a thing of the past. And pretty much now, most websites need to be super fast. Now, if you take a look at what Elementor did, they started really working on their builder, which meant that they had Flexbox. Now they have CSS Grid. I mean, it's faster now. There's a ton of features. Even right now, their beta versions they're releasing, they're amazing. At this point, this is where I say, you know what? I'm done. I'm pretty much done with Divi. Because what's the point of having Divi itself, the page builder, which is now dated according to where we are technology-wise? It's pretty much dated. I mean, there's no Flexbox, very few integrations with other plugins. There's no CSS Grid. I mean, I could go on and on and on. As compared to other page builders like Bricks Builder, they're coming up with amazing, amazing technology. Even Spectra, which is based on Gutenberg. I mean, I was playing around with it today. It's amazing. It has Flexbox inbuilt. It is really, really good. Today, I listened to Nick's video.
Divi 5 is a complete rewrite of the Divi builder focused on the fundamentals. We aren't adding many, if any, new features, but instead are focused on performance, stability, scalability, and extendability.
And I think they've changed my mind. They definitely have changed my mind because they are really serious with Divi 5, and Divi 5 now is going to be built from the ground up. Now, really think about this. I mean, this, in my opinion, is a serious move because when you build software from the ground up while maintaining what is going on, I'm sure they have sleepless nights there at Elegant Themes. But this was an indication to me that Elegant Themes as the company is really serious about Divi, and this is what changed my mind. Because the most important thing is they are now opening up the API so that other plugin developers can integrate really well into Divi. And this is very important because the Divi itself is just a page builder, right? It's just a page builder, nothing exciting there. But what makes it functional is, let's say, for example, you want to build an online course website. You need some serious integration where everything is seamless. So that's where now they're opening up that channel. Secondly, they're going to do away with shortcodes, which I really hate, by the way. I mean, try changing a website from Divi into any other page builder. Boy, it is crazy. So that is changing, which is a very, very good thing. Now, if you take a look at how, I think at the moment, the plugin that really integrates very well with Divi is Rank Math. It's almost like it's a part of Divi itself. It is fantastic. So plugins like Fluent CRM. Now they have tag systems where you can go in and show content based on a tag. Can you imagine someone signs up for an email and they get assigned a tag, and that tag is what's going to show them content on the website or deny them from seeing some content on the website? That's just huge. But at the moment, we don't have that feature, and I have lifetime licenses to both. So the last thing I wanted was a situation where Elegant Themes is not really moving forward on that front, and now we are stuck with a lifetime license, but not really a lot of functionality. Now come Divi 6. Divi 6 is also more promises of the Flexbox, the CSS Grid, and they're going to make it even faster, and they're going to make it work with the Gutenberg editor. Now that to me is fantastic, and I'm really, really looking forward to that. Now, for those of you who haven't signed up for the license yet, the Divi license yet, now I'm basing this on just business itself. This is not insider information, but I don't see Elegant Themes continuing with the lifetime license because number one, it doesn't make sense to have all these lifetime members, which you're going to support forever and ever and ever. As a business, they need to pay their content creators, they need to pay for developers. They have a lot of ongoing costs. Now, where is that money going to come from? So what I think is they are going to do away with the lifetime license. So I really suggest that you get your lifetime license now and just get yourself locked in. So when Divi 5 comes out, Divi 6 comes out, pretty much you are locked in. You're going to get all those updates for Divi University. Now, this is a website where I am going to be hosting a lot of courses, a lot of tutorials, pretty much anything Divi related is going to be on Divi University. So what I suggest you do is you purchase Divi using my affiliate link, and then I will also give you access to Divi University. Just let me know that you've purchased it using my affiliate link, and then I give you access to it. Now, a lot of people have already purchased Divi using my affiliate link, and you know, they're getting access to Divi University. I've got so much planned for it. Right now, I'm just waiting for this promotion to end, because right now there is a summer sale, and I really suggest that you jump onto this because there are many discounts, even for Divi AI. Now, if you purchase this using my affiliate link, I'm going to give you access to Divi University. You're going to learn with me everything new that comes out. I'm going to just dump it on. I mean, dump is not a good word, but I'm going to pretty much produce a lot of content and put it on Divi University so that it makes it easier for you to learn and progress with the Divi Builder. All right, guys, those are my thoughts. What are your thoughts? What do you think about Divi moving forward? Do you think that they can compete with Elementor and all these other page builders? Leave your comments in the comments box below. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.